Both sensitive and strong, our skin envelops and protects us. It resists the drying wind and the burning sun. It repairs our wounds. It feels our emotions and the benefits of the sun. It is our greatest ally, the protector of our body. At Bioderma, skin is our passion, our expertise, our model. It is by observing skin's biology and analyzing what it naturally does best that we found the inspiration to create dermatological skincares that restore its natural balance to strengthen it. The skin itself inspired Bioderma to find biological solutions to preserve the health and beauty of our skin in a lasting way.